Step 1, build a fire. Step 2, saute some onions. Step 3, add some mushrooms. And next step, once the onions and the mushrooms are nicely sauteed and they're starting to look nice and cooked, we're going to transfer them into a different pot. And I choose a deeper pot, and I will show you why later. So let's transfer it. Next, we're going to add some ground beef. Okay, I'm not sure how much is there. It's just me by myself today, so we're gonna brown it up. And as we're browning our beef, let's not forget to salt and pepper it. To taste, of course. I like my pepper. I like just a little bit of salt. And this is a nifty little gadget. I think I got it from REI, if I'm not mistaken. It was like $5 or something. One side holds salt, one side holds pepper. Very handy. Anyway, we're gonna mix it up and keep on browning it and come back for the next step. And as our beef is browning up nicely, we're going to add just a little bit of water, just a little bit of sour cream, and just a little bit, like a tablespoon of flour. And I didn't have any other kind of flour. I just have just plain all-purpose. Anyway, that's what we're going to add right now. So just a little bit of water. There we go. Just a little bit of sour cream. There we go. Just like that. I'm going to mix it up a little bit first before we add that tiny bit of flour. I want to make sure that everything is coated. We'll see if we need any more sour cream or liquid. No, it seems to be just fine. We could always add a little bit of sour cream at the end, but we don't want it too rich. We don't want it overpowering everything else, but the mushrooms are going to be very complimentary to this. So let's add a little bit of flour. Where's my flour? Here it is. All right, just a little bit. Not that much at all. So we're going to mix it all back in. And it will start reducing nicely in just a little bit here. All right. We'll be back with the next step. Look at that, you guys. That just looks delicious. So it all depends on you, how much sauce you would like, but it also depends what you're having it with. You can have it on top of a potato, a baked potato. If you throw a potato right on the coals, maybe wrap it in tin foil. By the time this is done, you'll have a nice baked potato that you can split open in half and pour this over it. This is more than enough for me, and of course I overcook as usual. I have no sense of proportion when I'm camping alone. But anyway, maybe I'll make a couple of meals out of this. So we're going to take this right now, which looks like it's very nice consistency, nice and saucy. We're gonna add it to our friends sauteed onions and mushrooms. All right, if I have to put the phone down, I apologize, but let's see. Okay, so here's a baked potato that I had from last night. I just threw it in the fire as I was you know, having an evening time warm-up session. You know, nice and warm. You forget the potato is in there. You know, by the time the fire goes out and you go back to sleep, you know, go to bed, in the morning you wake up, bam, you got a nice baked potato. Okay, so we're gonna put it in here and it's going to be fine. I threw it in the fire a little while ago, so it's nice and warm. I'm just gonna split it in half. Oh man, just fell apart. Holy moly. I eat it with mostly the skin because this is a thin skinned potato, so I'm fine with that. Take a little bit of your poor man's beef stroganoff concoction and you put it right on top. There we go. And granted, I could have made it a little more saucy. Yes, I could have made it more saucy. Anyway, so there you go. And I'm gonna try it right now. So let me get my spork out. My spork. By the way, this is a Kabar spork, and it's got a knife if you pull it apart. I only have one hand right now. Anyway, I'm gonna try to have a little bite with the potato. Oh, there's the potato and other stuff. All right. Holy moly. All right, guys, this is really, really good. I hope you try to make it and see for yourself. Otherwise, have a good day, and I will talk to you later. I'm gonna be busy eating. Bye.